being here, now that the studio and the building brought us here, has just been the most fantastic place. For many reasons. One, we are kind of right in the centre of the city, which just makes recruitment easier. It means that people can get to and from work really easily. We're right by the train station, which means we're 2 hours from London. We're right on the right side of Cardiff in terms of the M4, which means we're 2.5 hour drive from Heathrow. We have a lot of visitors coming in from overseas. So Cardiff ended up being this kind of perfect place by accident, really. We're also, for a TV production company, Cardiff finds itself within 45 minutes drive, I know because we've measured it, of just some of the most fantastic locations in the world. You know, whether you want beaches or whether you want mountains or whether you want heartland industrial, everything is within 30, 45 minutes drive of Cardiff. So there are many reasons why we've ended up being very pleased to be in Cardiff, but it was a kind of an accident brought to us by this building. And you can't get a better group of staff. Jane Tranter, who started Bad Wolf, has worked all over the world, and she said, apart from maybe New York, the staff that you get in Cardiff are so hungry for it, so willing to work, that actually they're some of the best crews in the world. In fact, we've got quite a well-known director who's worked all over the world working on our show now, and he said just the other day that this is the best crew that he has ever worked with. You know, there's an enthusiasm in Cardiff for work. There's an enthusiasm to work hard, get on well, and do a really good job. And I think it's that enthusiasm that we found at Bad Wolf. What I personally most like about living in Cardiff is that I live in glorious countryside, 20 minutes drive from the centre of Cardiff. And it takes me 20 minutes to get into work, and at the end of the day I end up in gorgeous countryside that's about 15 minutes from the beach. My children go to really great schools and I don't have to pay for those schools because they're just really great. But we have brought in a lot of people from overseas, mainly from America, who have to come and live here while productions are filming. And I think the thing that those people really love about Cardiff is the quality of life, the clean air, the fact that you can walk everywhere, the fact that it has magnificent parks, and the fact that you are always right near London and Heathrow.